Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears properly, or do you feel sudden hesitation while driving? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0786, Shift Timing Solenoid Range performance problem, it means your transmission isn't shifting as it should. Ignoring this can lead to serious transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0786 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0786? The P0786 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an issue with the shift timing solenoid, solenoid D. This solenoid controls the precise timing of gear shifts. Symptoms of P0786 include rough or delayed shifting between gears, transmission slipping or unexpected gear changes, jerking or hard shifts during acceleration, check engine light and transmission warning light on, poor fuel efficiency due to improper shift timing. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0786. Shift Timing Solenoid, solenoid D, location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for precise gear shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, powertrain control module, PCM. Location, mounted on the transmission housing or near the firewall in the engine bay. Function, controls shift timing by sending signals to the solenoids. Transmission range sensor, TRS, neutral safety switch location, attached to the side of the transmission near the gear shift linkage. Input and output speed sensors, ISS, OSS. Common causes of P0786, faulty shift timing solenoid, solenoid D, can cause incorrect gear shifts. Low or dirty transmission fluid can lead to improper hydraulic pressure. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, electrical issues, damaged wiring, loose connections or corroded connectors can disrupt solenoid function. How to fix P0786? Step 1, check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2, inspect the shift timing solenoid, solenoid D. Use a multimeter to check for proper resistance and operation. Step 3, test the transmission range sensor, TRS. Verify that it's detecting the correct gear position. Step 4, inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections. Step 5, check the transmission control module, TCM. Step 6, inspect for internal transmission wear. If needed, consult a mechanic for deeper diagnosis. Step 7, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. A P0786 shift timing malfunction can lead to serious transmission issues, so diagnosing it early can prevent expensive repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, sensors and transmission fluid to ensure smooth gear shifts. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.